G'day, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the rear diff, pinion seal, uni joins on the rear tail shaft and giving all that a nice tidy up and just a couple of little bits and pieces around the car. It's a pretty easy episode, so enjoy. I think I fucking stripped it. Fuck me, I cannot get this undone. I reckon I've done like a full fucking turn of this and I cannot get it undone. And I've stripped the other side. Kind of. Pretty sure I have with this thing. Alright, other side. Far out. Whew, that's off. Man, that is gunky as. That's just like general build-up all around it, but you can see that it's still pretty clean on the inside, which is really good. I'm just going to go out to the table now with everything. These are just fucking cooked. So I've got uni joints to replace on this. I'm actually going to give it a full rub back and just a respray. Rust treat it and then respray the whole thing with some black of some sort that I have. Alright, they're out. Pretty easy to get out actually. Basically this same bearing tool that I used to take off the steering dampener, which is probably welded my 23mm socket on now, but that's alright. Alright, so I'll give all of this a real good clean up, give it a rust treatment and then prepare it for paint. So alright, nice and clean. A lot of rust removed. But now we'll hit it with some rust converter and then get it ready to paint. Obviously tape up anything sort of mechanically touching and yeah, anything like that, grease points, anything like that. Anything that touches the surfaces and getting painted, and then yeah, we'll be good. Alright, while I wait for those to dry, I'm going to get started on the pinion seal on the diff. Never done this before. I say it at the start, I say it on every video. I'm not a mechanic, don't know what I'm doing, so be nice to me. Eight and a half-ish. Okay. I don't know if that's right or not. Oh, Jesus. Wow, you should see this. Oh my God.
Ooh, that's some filthy. That's pretty filthy.
Alright, let's get this, we'll get the seal out. It's loose. The diff probably needs rebuilding. But I just want it to not leak for now. So we're just gonna do that right now to get it roadworthy. And then, yeah, the rest is later Jay's problem. Should I drain the diff now? I'm gonna get a bucket though. Yeah, that's water. That's water. That's water. That is water. buckets of water.
Oh! Wow! Oh my god. So when I did those axle seals, when I did those rear hub seals, oh, that actually makes me sick. That's a doozy. Oh, look how thick and fucking disgusting it is. Look at this. Doesn't even want to come out. I wonder when the hell ago this was changed. It actually makes me want to throw up right now. Once again, I'm using Trade and Teamer. These guys really are just awesome. They're like, I order this stuff online, and I am local. I'm in Melbourne. I'm like half an hour from them, but I order this like Sunday, and it's here Monday afternoon. It's just spot on. Mickey Mouse. Thank you very much. Oh shit! That was fucking silly. It's a little low on that side, but I don't think it'll affect us. All right. What am I at? 6, 7. Yeah, I'm not overly happy with how this went. I expected to see like an actual difference in it being a bit tighter or something like that. Whatever, we'll fill it with diff oil, give it all a big clean up, and then I'll take it around the block and see if I get any leakage, I guess. My wife bought me a cupcake, so I'm gonna have a break. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. How the f did that happen? Yeah. I need to get this whole thing out now. That looks better. Put this one on first. Come on with me. Parts this clean do not belong underneath the car. Alright, back in. Clean, crisp, the nicest looking part of this undercarriage. Alright, I got to torque it, grease it, and then refill the diff, and I'm done. Oh. I'm not getting to that. Oh, fuck. All right. Let's close up the bottom of the diff. So with the amount of water that came out of this, I'm actually going to probably run this for maybe 1,000 k's or something, and then I'll change all the fluids again then. So I'll do the actual fluids, diff fluid, diff oil, and I'll drain the front diff while I'm here as well. Pop the jam, pump it up, right up. I actually have questions about whether I'll even get this one open. You should see the shit. Oh, got ya. Really good. Tells me the swivel hub seals are probably still in pretty good nick. I don't know if I'll do them. Struggles uphill. Oh yeah. Brakes work real good. Yeah. Brakes are brilliant. That's awesome. So that's gonna about wrap this video up. I really think we're getting close to the end now. Off the top of my head, we got to obviously I got to weld in the wheel hub. The wheel hub. Is that right? Yeah, the wheel hub. Which I've tried twice and sort of haven't really worked out a great way to do it yet without doing a lot of little pieces. In that video, I probably might sound insulate the doors with the sound deadener, so just more of that. It's not going to be a big eventful videos now. They're not going to be, they're not going to be as often now. I've been doing a video a week for a while, but yeah, building cars is expensive, so it needs wheel alignment. The steering wheel drive's crooked at the moment, so that's straight. But we're getting there. So yeah, like new battery, rust is done, windscreen's in, diff oils changed, the pinion seal on the diff's done, so hopefully that's not leaking. What else? Just putting the interior back in now, so we're nearly there. So stick around because we're gonna have this thing on the road pretty quickly, and then we're gonna trip away. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.